Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how to change auto screen of time setting in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to change it, so you can change. In this video guys, I will show you how to change it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start the video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys scroll it and guys come on guys display and brightness setting. And guys you can see this auto screen of time settings, so let's click here. So you can change from here guys. Example for guys, we will take this 15 second. So you can see guys, after 15 second guys our phone screen will off. Phone guys, please go and like me, subscribe my channel, and guys do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section. I will try to help you. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching. As you can see it's going die guys off. So I hope friends you have understood how to change auto screen of time in Oppo K10 phone. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will on to next video with new topic. If you guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.